Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I am so glad that you're here and I hope that you stick around. Today I'm really excited to share with you how I decorated my master bathroom for Christmas. And the first thing you're going to see me do here is place these jars at the bottom of this tiered tray that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I actually changed out what was inside of these jars later on in the video and you'll see that. But here I'm just kind of playing around with, where I wanted things to go. And I really like how it turned out. And I hope you do too. My friend Tiff actually gave me the idea to use this tray in my bathroom. Have you guys checked out her channel yet? Her channel is called In My Right Mind. I will link it above. She has the best DIYs. If you haven't checked her out, you need to go do that right now.
When I'm fast asleep, down that chimney broad and black, with your pack, your creep, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. The shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates, Susie wants a doll.
So in case you are wondering, I got this wreath that I'm hanging from a command strip on the mirror from the dollar store. I also got the glass jars from the dollar store. I got these towels from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I got the cozy sign that's next to the tiered tray on the counter from the Target dollar spot. To get that Christmas spa feeling going, so I added some Epsom salt to that jar, and then I added these bath bombs that I got from the Target dollar spot that are Grinch themed to this jar, and it kind of made it feel like a cozy little Christmas spa. Here's my biggest secret of all. If you want a whole room to smell like Christmas, get these little Christmas tree sticks and just hide them anywhere you want them. I really wanted the room to smell strongly so that, well, I mean, it is a bathroom after all. So I just hid them behind these pine cones and it really worked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying your holiday season, and if you aren't already subscribed, please hit that red button so that you can stay up to date on all of my new content. I love all of you guys and I love making these videos for you, and I will see you in the next one.